Hey, quick reminder how to use the lessons, how to use this module. This module is about transformation. So it's quite important that you use the lessons in the right way. So let's go through the steps again. First, you budget time for the lessons. 15 to 20 minutes is enough, but you really need focus time. You need 15 to 20 minutes away from your phone, from Facebook, from Instagram, from urgent emails coming in, so that you can zoom in on what we're trying to do together. Secondly, give yourself time to process the knowledge. We are going to discuss here transforming yourself, your customer experience, your company. So give yourself a bit of time during the day to process what we have looked at together. And where possible, apply it to your business. Don't make radical changes yet, but start making notes on how you could apply what we've seen together to your business or your business case. And then certainly here, the exercises or the tools that we're going to use, specifically the planner tool in this module, and also the document where we're going to review our business model, make them your own. I mean, these are all tools that I've been using for a long time, but all of them I've tweaked, I've tuned, I've made them my own. So please do the same so that they become part of your business. And so let's get started. Module 2, transformation of you, your business, and the customer experience.